The recipe for dry skin care. Dry skin cannot be ignored. Dry skin leads to cracking of the upper layer of skin and gives it a real bad appearance. The main causes of dry skin include dry climate, hormonal changes, too much exfoliation and treatment of other skin disorders. Moreover, dryness could be the inherent nature of one's skin. Whatever be the cause, dry skin care is very important, but not very difficult. Dry skin care starts with moisturizers, the most effective remedy for dry skin. Generally, moisturizers are classified under two categories based on the way they provide dry skin care. The first category includes moisturizers that provide dry skin care just by preserving the moisture within the skin, for example Vaseline. These moisturizers are relatively inexpensive and are readily available, even at grocery shops. The second category includes moisturizers that work by drawing moisture from the environment and supplying it to the skin. This is a very effective way of dry skin care in humid conditions. The moisturizers that provide dry skin care in this way are also called humectants. For proper dry skin care, you must use a non-greasy type of moisturizer, as far as possible. Humectants fall in this category. The ingredients of humectants include propylene glycol, urea, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, etc. Dry skin care is not about just using moisturizers but also using them properly. The best dry skin care procedure is to cleanse the skin before the application of moisturizer. You can make your dry skin care even more effective by applying the moisturizer while the skin is still damp, after cleansing. Also, make sure that you use soap-free products, especially on your face, neck and arms. Exfoliation does help in dry skin care, by removing the dead skin cells. However, don't exfoliate too hard. Your dry skin care procedures/products should also take care of sun protection. Avoid too much and too direct exposure to sun, simply by using an umbrella/hat, etc. Use a good sunscreen lotion before going out. A lot of moisturizers provide sun protection too, along with dry skin care. You also have natural products for dry skin care, i.e. products that provide dry skin care in a natural way, without the use of synthetic chemicals. These dry skin care products supply lipid enhancements to the skin, hence enabling moisture retention within the skin. Another important thing for dry skin care is the temperature of water you use for shower or for washing your face. Use warm water. Too hot or too cold water can cause dryness too. Dry skin care is also about being gentle with your skin. You should avoid harsh detergents and alcohol-based cleansers. Also, after a face wash, do not rub your towel on your face, just pat gently to soak the water off. On the whole, dry skin care is really simple for anyone who takes that seriously. Thank you for watching.